Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is fully charged or connected via its USB-C cable. Connect it to your computer or a compatible mobile device. Once connected, the device screen will prompt you to enter your personal PIN code. Use the physical buttons to navigate and select digits, then confirm each digit. To enter your PIN, use the left or right button to scroll through the numbers 0 to 9. When you find the correct digit, press both buttons simultaneously to confirm it. Continue this for every digit in your 4 to 8-digit PIN. After entering the final digit, confirm it by pressing both buttons again. This action securely unlocks your device. Once your Ledger Nano X is unlocked, open the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. The application will automatically detect your connected and unlocked device. You might see a brief synchronization process as Ledger Live reads your accounts. After this, you can access your portfolios, send and receive crypto, and install or uninstall applications on your device. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Ledger Live application is updated. Outdated software can sometimes cause connection problems. Also, try using a different USB-C cable or a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes, a simple cable swap can resolve connectivity glitches. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your device and software current ensures smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.